The best practices for financial institutions to strengthen cybersecurity measures. In today's increasingly interconnected world, cybersecurity is more crucial than ever for financial institutions. With the ability to access banking, loans, and investments online. In this video, we will explore the importance of cybersecurity measures for financial institutions. Financial institutions need to take proactive steps to ensure their cybersecurity measures are strong and effective. Here are some best practices that can help. Number 1. Conduct regular risk assessments. Financial institutions need to identify potential threats and vulnerabilities by conducting regular risk assessments. This can help them understand the current cybersecurity. Number 2. Implement multi-factor authentication. Multi-factor authentication is a security measure that requires users to provide 2 or more forms of identification to access their accounts. This can be a great way to protect sensitive financial information from hackers. Number 3. Use encryption technologies. Encryption technologies can be used to protect data from unauthorized access. This can include encrypting sensitive information such as account numbers and transaction data. By implementing these best practices, financial institutions can strengthen their cybersecurity measures and protect themselves and their customers from cyber threats. Thank you for watching.